A long time some man have money. So boy don't even get bright. Alkaline, what make you do no manners? Why Alkaline don't have no manners?
A few moments later.
So, Irish and Chin make a talk and make the people them know say him don't think Vice Cartel can do another round of selling off stadium and arenas and stuff like that.
2,000 years later.
Masicka and Squash Japper bombard collab 16. Me want to understand what 16 mean now. 16 mean the one side genocide and the 6 camp link up. That's why you have 1 and 6 when you're 16.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Aidonia. You don't ever wonder why Vice Cartel are reconcile and a link up back with everybody. Say my men all the bad vibes them and the bad energy them. You don't never figure out say him and Aidonia linkage never can make.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I go on, you don't know one Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know anything set. Boy. Let me tell you this. Pick up the real Gaza people. Them. You have some Gaza people where not too in a the chaka chaka and ray ray. You know, them love the music. Them not really love man. You understand? But these are the problem, people. You know, some see JF Progress. I beat the Gaza, right? So wait there now. Where do you when Vice Cartel found out and I beat the table? Everybody I say, yo, Alkaline I get tall belt, Masicka get tall belt. Me never hear nobody a ball like when J Progress a beat belt. I walk one. So Cartel fi beat belt, but you know what I was thing? Me glad see a J Praise as a Gaza man I do it. You understand? Yeah man. Because me hear man them in a media people. I say yo, every day people get up pan Cartel and see them and ray. But them forgot say when the Gaza vlogger them I forward out how much years now? I say yo, what Alkaline woman there? What this your woman there? I wanna see Alkaline on the artist with no woman. Whenever they are ball like on a ball now. I remember this. Remember say J Pro as a Gaza man a beat on you know. You understand? What make you go in a video people?
Bird sees up on the Gaza. Bird sees up on the Gaza. What me say? I want to some little hurry come up boy. Chum change fuck up their brain them can't even think right. A long time some man have money. Some boy don't even get bright. Alkaline, what make you do no manners? Why Alkaline don't have no manners? I want some little boy, some little chum change. I fuck up them brain, they can't even think right. Look how long some man they don't have money and not go like some man. You see Frightened Friday? You see Frightened Friday? Alkaline, you know no manners, you know. People, a bird sees up on the Gaza. Uno hear the 7 Masicka and Squash drop. Hello? Uno hear Alkaline Deckins? Huh? I want Alkaline. Let me drink some water. Bird season on the Gaza.
Yo people, you know what funniest thing? You know say sometime I wonder you know. You know say J Progress a beat the Gaza. Yo me say me never see so much Gaza man ball so. People, you know say J Progress I beat the Gaza right now, see? Vice Cartel. And you know say a bag of man a forward out. Sometimes I wonder where the woman them there. Me only see the woman them. I say yo Cartel for pack it up off of the internet. Why are so much man forward out a defend? Remember you know Vice Cartel is a man you know. And if you see so much man a beat or a forward out and a talk about J Progress. Imagine. I'll know me not see a video of one woman a forward out and as this J Progress. I'll know. So wait. Cartel now no woman fan base. How I go on? So you tell me say only man care about cartel? Or what? Me not understand. Because me only see woman them say, yo, we cartel are going on the internet. And I say I'm a clown and a bag of thing. Where female them there? Me nah see female them a fall out and I say, yo, J Progress, this and that. I be a man. Me not understand this. Because you just make it worse for yourself, you know. Me say more you no talk and more J Progress are gonna run out. It now go normal. Me see all man a send all threat. You understand? Man a get in them feelings. But as me say, J Progress, go and beat. Cause you're camping up. How easy work.
Me tell him already. Bird season for the Gaza. Me say Alkaline jape him up and box down the junkie boy. Well, you could chum change and fuck up him brain. Him can't even think right. Get yourself together, Vibes Cartel, man. Get yourself together. Hey? You say you're great? Alkaline make you know say him greater. Man? I never see a boy out there and face it like Alkaline yet. In a dancehall music. Boy. I hear Masicka drop some bars in a 16. Hey? When me tell you say, Cartel a play catch up, you no name believe me. Go listen to Dekins and go listen to 16. And we understand me talk about. No wonder Vice Cartel have to do what him do. No wonder Vice Cartel have to beg, kneel down and beg Gully God for help to keep him career relevant. Believe when me tell you that. So, Irish and Chin, make a talk and make the people them know say, him don't think Vice Cartel can do another round of selling off stadium and arenas and stuff like that.
Yo, bro, what me not understand. I keep on hear these people. What you mean by Vice Cartel selling off stadiums? Vice Cartel, me don't know of no stadiums where Vice Cartel sell off. Vice Cartel sell off arena. Me don't know of no stadium, not even the one when I'm doing in Jamaican. That never sell off. That never sold out. Someone want to know which stadium, where the stadium where him sold out or sell off. That I want to know. Me keep on hear it. Tell me the stadium where him do. Me know about the arena them, but no stadium. You understand? I think we don't even correct that. You see it?
But Irish and Chin, should I get it right? Vice Cartel can't do it alone. Them can put Vice Cartel on a poster and make it be a Vice Cartel show. But let me tell you something. Vice Cartel can't do it alone. This is exactly why we don't see him need Mavado right now. So when we come out and make the people them know say, them did have it show Vice Cartel a lifeline. Mavado did have it show Vice Cartel a lifeline. Or would Vice Cartel survive? Vice Cartel cannot sell out Sumfest. Putting Vice Cartel past Sumfest this year around could make Vice Cartel pull in the crowd. When him just come from prison and him at yes, but I told you guys already, the prison hype done. The prison hype done. Vice Cartel needs somewhere to siphon some energy from and some hype from. Where is the best place? Mavado. Mavado is the best place because them see the show them Mavado been doing and see oh, Mavado fan base still powerful. So the best thing Vice Cartel could do, what him always do. Vice Cartel always look somewhere to draw energy from. Irish and Chin no wrong. Vice Cartel can't sell out nowhere by himself. What make you think him want tour with Mavado now? Because he knows say him need help. He cannot do it. The prison hype boiled down.
Yeah, man. For real thing. Him can't do it. Especially them always I talk about the highest ticket. Him can't do it for the same price right now. You understand? Them can't do it for the same price right now. And him have seem like him have the ship show next year. We're up on the ship. And about 40 artists are got up on it. You understand? I just saw a thing go. You see me? Him just start do certain things at a later age. You see me? And we have different age and different generation right now. You understand? So him have to bring something where kind of exclusive. Like the Gully and Gaza thing, yeah. That have to did forward into place. You understand? I just saw a thing go. Because remember, you know, him kind of flood himself last year in the arena them. You see me? Him do back to back. And then him do one next one. So it's like, you know, 3 times in the Barclays Center. If we come do this next year again, you see me? It's like, you know, a lot of people see him all of last year. You see me? So right now, most time shows them, some of them, you must go start adding some artists to it and a bag of thing. You see me? And him can't go do it at the same price again. You see me? I just one of them things. They're just I not really nothing, I just norm, you know. When people not see you for long, your ticket them a go high. Once them start seeing how the ticket them a go drop, I so it go. You understand?
Gurus make Mavado do it because Mavado just say, yo, you make some money too. So, you can't steal the fool yourself. All them little Didi Daba, Gaza, fans, me have a look at me and say, wonder if they really realize what is happening. Why do you think Vice Cartel on social media wind up in a brief? Why do you think Vice Cartel doing all these kind of things? Why do you think Vice Cartel try series? Why do you think Vice Cartel try this? Why do you think he might try that? Vice Cartel need to try stuff to remain relevant. But just like how he's remaining relevant, let me tell you something. Masicka and Alkaline no have to do the most to be relevant out here. It's hard to ignore them. It's impossible to ignore a Alkaline and a Masicka. Talking about that, hey, me have something else for you, no?
Yo, yo, J Progress now ease them up, you know. You see me? It look like J Progress I gotta do one more week. I know that now go normal people. You see me? But I just one of them thing them that. I see how Vice Cartel do a man start him own channel right now. I say going, yo, you know people, me never know see so much artists they on TikTok, you know. Me say no for that. Yo, me realize the artists they on TikTok. No for artists them they on TikTok, you know. Even some of them with them career just spark up. You see me, nothing go on. Them tip on it. But nothing wrong still. You know, it better than, you know, try get some people and play some song and thing. But yo, I tell you, people, no for artists them are up on TikTok right now. No for them they on the TikTok right now. I will me see. What do you me see? What name? Lali. Man, they on TikTok every day. Yo, career nothing go on. This one of our artists them a go right now. You see, me try to get in some little fans or something and well, if that are the way for kinda, you know, stick in a certain things based on space. Go and do it. You see me? I just one of them thing the people.
You see when me talk, no for no feel like I just chatting. Me show you something right now. Masicka and Squash drop a bombard collab. 16. Me want to understand the 16 mean now. 16 mean the one side genocide and the 6 camp link up. That's why you have 1 and 6 with your 16. Me open to understand. Alright. A 2 type of Gaza movement you know, no? You know about genocide Gaza. And you know about 6 and Gaza. Me will show you now. Vice Cartel have a style where as long as you run the place, Vice Cartel come friend you to siphon your energy. You hear me I say? Because remember, you know, the ratings for the youth them have for Vice Cartel was because of who Vice Cartel it was before, you know. Right now, Vice Cartel are pure corruption. Watch the style, you know. When the 6 are on the place, and when I mean when the 6 jump out and the 6 have dancehall in a choke hole, who run in? Here comes Vice Cartel. Here comes Vice Cartel, you know. Then boom, the 6 kind of the vibes are going to the 6 and the thing I get away. Squash jump out and baiting. Now, Masicka have a place in a choke hole. Who run in? Vice Cartel. While he was in prison. So when that's why me hear people talk about Vice Cartel stay a prison and run dancehall and dancehall when lock up a prison. Me tired to tell you now. A style Vice Cartel use for the dancehall artists them. Everyone will have a place in a choke hole. Vice Cartel call them and look at Callout and run in upon them.
Alright, you see the thing is that a lot of people don't understand, and I'm telling you know. You see, because when it comes to Vice Cartel, it's like them try to put the whole genre in them hand. But people just not pre the logics. Because in a no genre where an artist or they are prison can give an artist a road strength. You understand? Remember, you know, as I always say this people, I can't blame Vice Cartel alone. Me have to blame the artists them. Some of them want handouts. Them want link with man. Them want do this to get the forward. Enough of them. Because we have to be fair, no people. Enough of them, when Vice Cartel they are prison and them get the collab, right? Or without the collab. And enough of them when them go up on stage and they not get no forward. You hear them say, yo, free Vice Cartel, yo. Gaza, me say. The whole of them use the Gaza thing. You understand? So me can't blame Vice Cartel alone if you say, yo, link up this and way. Enough of them do it. Me say enough of them do it if you get forward. But the thing is that them keep cartel name alive, the Gaza alive. And them build Gaza with them appearance, you know. What I mean Bill, you know, if 50 artists they are road, I call one artist name and I do this on Ray. Yeah, keep him active. You understand? So when you check it, if them artists never do it and I bow down to cartel or do collab with him, it would be a different energy. But because when him be a prison, a lot of artists, yo, Gaza Ray, this, that, Ray. Remember Gaza Ray. Some of them use that and that keep cartel thing live a road. You understand? Or when them go overseas. You see me? But we know say cartel is a man where I saw them man. The amount of artists where him collab with that when him there prison. Enough of them him not collab with since him father road. You understand? I just say things set because look now. Some of them, cause you know, every one of them him rolling, you know. Some of them just through them want an easy way out. Them try to get linked to him or you understand? And try to use the Gaza thing and Ray. I never something genuine say cartel actually rate them. So when cartel found out now, you see me, although them did say Gaza for them want the strength as well. Him just found out and I don't like him they really rate them like that or so. Just through them as say Gaza. But when him found out now, him not see the need to give them money and strength. Based on the prison hype and all of them look or something there. So them are the problem too. You understand? Yes, some of them it may run in and thing, yes, and Ray. But some of them do it to get a look into. You understand?
That's why when we have genocide Gaza. That's why when we have 6 Gaza. We don't know what I want, but guess what? Squash figure out who vice cartel is.
But look, you know, I'm not gonna lie, people. Masicka one of the youth too. I'm not gonna lie. Me see Masicka there on stage before him bust. Hear me now? Yo, Gaza, vice cartel have go forward from prison. You understand? Vice cartel have go forward from prison and come clash him. Him are the baddest, Ray. Until when them do the collaboration. You understand? Every interview with Masicka going on vice cartel. You understand? So him get a benefit of a fight too. You know, we go there, we not go talk certain things biasly or but Masicka use cartel strength. The Gaza thing and every little thing. You understand? Him use it too. You see it? I just one of them thing there. It's just that when him forward now and father road cartel, maybe he say yo, and he must say yo, him not there. You understand? Yeah, because maybe him here say yo have a vendetta versus Gaza and Ray. Him want to be the man too. You see it? But as him say, convincing, but a long time you did it. You see me?
If Squash never get locked down in their prison, Squash wouldn't really understand who the Gaza is and who vice cartel is. Do you guys have 6 Gaza anymore? No. Masicka, figure out who vice cartel is. Do you have genocide Gaza anymore? Watch his style. When Jamal a burn up a place over there, who run in? The great vice cartel him come from prison and Jamal have dancehall in a chokehold. Who run in? Vice cartel. When last we see vice cartel post a Jamal song? When last we see vice cartel endorse Jamal? When we see vice cartel even put say me give that Jamal a strength for me on one of my album because me rate the dog thing and me push it him thing as far as me can too. A good thing them youth them now beg no strength from no man. A good thing the youth them in a dancehall now beg no strength from no man. Who no understand? Squash find out who vice cartel is and the Gaza. Masicka find out. It will take Jamal a time, but he will find out too. Remember me tell you this. Why you not think? You not have a collab like 16 right now? A common sense. The two you them realize the vice cartel is a snake. I say me could do a collab. Believe when me tell you no. Think about it. TikTok. When you look on a brother, Aidonia. You don't ever wonder why vice cartel a reconcile and a link up back with everybody. Say my men all the bad vibes them and the bad energy them. You never figure out say him and Aidonia linkage never can make. Let me tell you something. You see from vice cartel can't control you. And you now work under Theme Banner, you go have a problem. From Aidonia drop Fort Jenna and I do him one thing. I'm own man. I'm own done. I whole heap of Vice start with Vice Cartel. Because, remember, you know, if Vice Cartel end up a prison, you know, you're unruly, you know. Sparta was always there, but Sparta wasn't there musically, you know. Wonder why out of everybody that linkage they never could have make with Aidonia. When you realize that Aidonia no see them. Him no talk, him no link, and everybody when claims him a link. Aidonia and Vanessa Bling know who Vice Cartel really is. Vice Cartel can't fool Aidonia. Aidonia knows that the man the bad mind and corrupt and a hold down. You hear me I tell you? Aidonia know that. Let me tell you, you know. Me have a file, you know. Me can tell you exactly what going on with Vice Cartel and Aidonia, you know. When you realize, you know, Aidonia not like them boy there, you know, and them boy they can't even go up. Them can't even be a two-faced snake and try friend back Aidonia. You don't notice, no, man?
Yeah, man. I tell you. Remember, you know, I think Aidonia this year cartel carry him go give bounty. You understand? And then, well, I know what riff raff and remember say Aidonia did that go off fine, but him not gonna respond. I guess maybe through Aidonia call him daddy. You understand? But Aidonia him own boss. Him have him own a thing, have him own Camp Fort Jenna, him own people him. You understand? And Aidonia respect himself. You see me? Him now go pull up a cartel foot. You see me? And that, you know, you see, if you're a real G and you respect yourself, and you say, yo, no man no more than no man, you will understand. You see me? Vice Cartel are them man, them love when people pull up on him foot and them little thing there. You see it? So, I don't know the type of youth there. You see me? Same with Alkaline. From Alkaline forward, them want Alkaline for say Gaza or for give Cartel special ratings and him never do it. You understand? Because that was a dancehall thing and it kind of put a weight on the artist them. You understand? It's like once them put them name with the Gaza thing already, it's like them career just stagnant. It can't really go too far. It's like them can't even stay relevant. Them can't, you understand? Yeah, I saw the thing got Callout there. Aidonia name a call up. Cause why? Aidonia cartel father. Aidonia never link with him. You see me? Same with Vanessa Bling. Anybody wanna link with cartel, most of the time, them name no call. Them name always a call. Footer Hype, J Progress. You understand? If you realize things go on for them active every little thing. But the one them went away, the one card is like nothing. You see what I say? So that's why people call it an energy drainer. Because when you're on cartel no link or no ray, your name call more. You understand? Yeah. So I just one of them thing there. You see it?
Everybody else cartel can boy my big bell back friend with and this with and that with. Uno notice good. Vanessa Bling and Aidonia. Uno never wonder. Vanessa Bling talk. Vanessa Bling open up and talk what go on. But uno know say Aidonia in the chattings. But let me tell you this. You see what Vice Cartel do Aidonia? Vice Cartel nothing there. Believe when me tell you that.
Yeah man, people, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, you see it. Yeah man, respect for the support, you see me. But I say go. We have to just go on watch Gaza beat Gaza right now. You see me? Yeah man, you don't know a tall belt, man. Yeah. But them run out today is a cartel at the tall belt, you know. No. The belt you have more different. You understand? The belt you have mark up on it. May I tell you, spikes. You see it where J Progress I use right now. But people, big up yourself. You don't know entertainment. Yeah man, go and tune in. That is it.